Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to my channel? It helps other members know when I'm posting videos. Well, today we're going to be making a recipe again, and I haven't made this before. And I got this recipe from a YouTuber, CarnivoreDoctor, I believe. I'll have her link below to show more. Anyways, the recipe is called knotted bacon, and I'm anxious to see how it's coming out, or how it will come out. So obviously you're going to need a pound of bacon, and it could be any of your favorite bacon. Today we're using a regular store-bought brand bacon. What we're going to do with the bacon, it's already been thawed out. We're going to lay out a sheeting pan with some aluminum foil on the bottom and a bacon rack on the top of the foil. Then we're going to take the bacon and we're going to tie it into a little bit of a knot, not too tight but kind of loose. And then we're going to take all those little knots from the strips of bacon, and we're going to spread them out on the bacon rack. And then we'll take a little bit of my own contraction. I'm going to take about a tablespoon of garlic powder and onion powder. I'll sprinkle each one with a little bit of that, and then we're going to pop that baby in the oven at 400 for about 10 to maybe 15 minutes. At the 15-minute mark, we'll pop them out. We'll put a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese on top, and then we'll pop them back in the oven for another 7 or 8 minutes, and we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Hi guys, well, crispy knotted Parmesan, garlic powder, onion powder, bacon knots are done. Took a total of about 25 minutes. Now I'm going to pop them up and put them on a plate. You got to be careful, they're hot, they just came out of the oven. I'm not going to have one right now because I'm going to wait for them to cool down a little bit. So I'm going to plate them so I can grab a photograph for the thumbnail. I didn't quite cook the bacon all the way through because I'm going to be reheating these up in the air fryer. And there you have our final product. Crispy bacon knots. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, our bacon wrap knots that we tied into knots onto the bacon rack and with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, onion powder is done. And that's what they look like. Little photograph of the thumbnail. So what I did was I took a pound of bacon, regular store-bought sliced bacon. That's all I can afford. Remember, you do you. And I took a sheeting pan, lined it up with aluminum foil, cut the bacon rack, and then I took the bacon slices and then I knotted them into a knot, spread them out. I ended up with about 14 of them onto the rack. And then what I did at that point, I put a little garlic powder, onion powder on it, maybe about a half a tablespoon of each. And I popped that in the oven for about 15 minutes at 400. Then I popped them out, and then I added the Parmesan cheese on top, and then I put it back in the oven till they're nice and crispy, and that's the final product. I suppose you want me to try one, right? Now, some of these I didn't cook all the way through, but the simple reason is that because I reheat this in the microwave or the air fryer. But, yeah, check this out. Look at that, guys, huh? Did that look good? You could dip that in a nice soft boiled egg or a nice egg with some egg yolk. Boy, I tell you, everything with bacon tastes good. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to put these in a bowl, pop in the refrigerator, and I'll have these for later. And that's a great Carnivore snack size. And again, the YouTuber's link will be below the video, and have a great day, guys.